Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to convert any of the CC5 3D avatar to become a baby. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. Now just back to the CC5, the character creator 5. So I'm going to use the Ariana as the sample avatar. The Ariana is the CC5 avatar that you can find it in the CC5 avatar pack somewhere at here. So to convert her to become a baby, what you need to do is just go to the morph, go to the full body and search for baby. Then you should be able to see the body HA baby. Just drag it to maximum. And next, go to the full head until you can see the baby's head. Just drag it. Now you can see CC5 Ariana already become a baby. And she's really cute. So to make these two baby morph available, you need to have the morph pack, the ultimate morph. You can just search it from here, search for ultimate morph. It is here. You need to install the ultimate morph in your computer to make sure it works. It already have the morph. If you don't have the ultimate morph, you can just click into the link that I provide in my video descriptions to get the ultimate morph so that you can convert any 3D avatar in CC5 to become a baby, the human anatomy baby. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to convert any CC5 avatar to become a baby, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!